Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious pork and bean recipe, okay? It's giving budget friendly. It's giving I've never made this on this channel, and I'm going to show y'all how I do it. This is a poblano pepper. You can find it with all the other peppers. Every single grocery store has this pepper. You don't have to look far. This is a sausage or brats that I'll be using, but you can use the sausage or the hot dog that you prefer. But I like more flavor, and so I decided to go with the poblano and this type of sausage. And every single thing in this video came from the Aldi grocery store. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. So I'm going to start by melting some butter down and browning my sausage. And you want to get a nice color on it because that's going to add a lot of flavor to the dish. Make sure your heat is on medium to medium high. Okay, stop boiling the sausage. Cut the heat up so you can get some color on it. Obviously, this spatula was not helping your girl out, so I had to get a tongue. And this is pretty much what I'm talking about. This is what you're looking for right here. You want to get it nice and browned. By the way, thank y'all for coming back and staying with me for, day 3 of me holding myself accountable with these recipes and showing up and, coming back on here. Once I brown my sausage, I'm going to add onions, my poblano pepper, and garlic. And then you want to mix this in and get it nice and cooked down and caramelized. So once I add this in here, while my stove is on medium heat, I'm going to let it caramelize and cook down with the sausage before I add the beans and the spices. And, of course, you can use the spices you prefer, but I'm going with some red chili flakes to give it a pick-me-up. This is not a dish where you want that it doesn't have any type of heat at all. You need a pick-me-up, So I'm using some smoked paprika, some black pepper, and a little salt, and I'm keeping it simple. And yeah, so once I add my salt in, I'm going to mix that up and keep cooking it so the onions could keep caramelizing. As you can see in my skillet, there's no water, no liquid, no nada. It is searing, not boiling. And why is that? Comment in the comments and let me know why it's not boiling, class. So now I'm going to add my canned beans down in here. Like I said, I got this from the Aldi grocery store. The color of it or the texture of it might look different depending on the brand and the store you bought it from. So once I get the beans nice and mixed in, look how beautiful that looks. I added some broth to the can, and now I'm just going to put it down in there. It was only like a half a cup because I didn't want too much liquid down in here. And after about 10 minutes on medium low, this is how it looked. Delicious. This is the sourdough bread that I'm serving it with today. However, you can use whatever. This is good with rice, potatoes, pasta, honey. Back in my day, okay, it went with whatever, okay? I'm not even kidding. But look how delicious and thick and hearty and delicious this looks. And I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what this looks like. Also, you guys, if you want me to make more budget-friendly meals, comment below and let me know what you think. Also, you already know the fall season is coming up. If you have any holiday season recipe requests, drop them below as well. But look how delicious and the color on it that it picked up because, I let it simmer. And this is a toasted bread. So what you want to do is you want to pick that thing up, put it right on there. Y'all, don't play with me, okay? Now, how good does this look? But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. Take a bite because it's yawn. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.